Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to change your username on a Mac in 2025. Whether you're setting up a new account, personalizing your setup, or just fixing a typo, this guide will walk you through it step by step. It's super straightforward, but remember, messing with user accounts can affect your files, so always back up your data first. That way, you're safe if anything goes sideways. First things first, make sure you're on the latest macOS update by 2025. That might be macOS 16 or whatever Apple has cooked up. To get started, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. This is the new hub for all your preferences, making things even more intuitive than before. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down and click on Users and Groups. You'll see a list of users on your Mac. If you're not the admin, you might need to switch to an admin account first. Don't worry, we'll cover that. Now, to make changes, you'll have to unlock the settings. Click on the lock icon at the bottom left, enter your admin password, and boom, you're in. Next, select your user account from the list on the left. Look for the full name or account name field. Depending on the macOS version, it might be labeled slightly differently. Click on it, and you can edit the name directly. Type in your new username, then hit Enter or save the changes. Apple has made this process smoother in recent updates, so it should apply right away. After you've made the change, it's a good idea to log out and log back in to ensure everything works perfectly. If you run into any issues, like apps not recognizing the new name, double-check your file permissions or restart your Mac. And hey, if you're dealing with linked services like iCloud, you might need to update those separately to avoid any sync problems. There you have it. That's how you change your username on a Mac in 2025. It only takes a couple of minutes and keeps your setup feeling fresh. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.